you guys? It's part 2 today. Today I'm wearing my Senior Nest sweatshirt. It's chilly today, but the sun is coming out. It was raining early this morning. It is so nice right now, and I figured I would represent Senior Nest Home Care. So anyway, girls are laying down. Outdoor pillows I put over here. So we're gonna take them. Actually, I just wanted to show you the table. Oh, boo! Who's on our table? Oh! Here's the table. Goodbye. Here's the table. It's all set and ready to go. We can eat inside or outside. It doesn't matter. So, look at this one. Hi, Paisley. Let's start. Let's go outside. And let me just put this in the fridge. Can of soda here. All right, let's go get the outside ready. Come on, girls. Who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming? Oh, it's actually kind of nice. Definitely a little cool, though. Come on, Paige. You coming? Okay. Come on. Molly's coming out. Paisley, you coming? Oh, here she comes. Come on, love. Come on. I see you. Come on. They're too cute. All right. Last night, because we had some rain, we cleaned all of this up. So I'm going to get that put together, dry off some of the wetness to the tables, and let's set up. It is all done. There you go for now. And then I put these 2 little Adirondack chairs with that table. I don't know. It's just until we can get the boat and stuff put away. Which we're actually, let me show you what we're doing actually. In fact, we're getting something made for this right here. You see that? This drives Jess and I both crazy. So they sell, you can either have a made or that you could buy one. I think we may have it made. It's this big long thing. And these cans all go inside and it has a lid that you lift up. I don't know, but we want to disguise it. But anyway, so our boat over here, what we're doing is behind the shed here. I'm not going to walk on the grass now because it's wet from all the rain. But behind here, as wide as this shed is, we're getting stone and we're having this big thing made so that the boat, when it's not in the water, can go back there. And then this is normally where we have all our furniture. But for now, it's going here. And I quite like it. I know somebody said not to leave this out here all night because somebody could lean over the fence and steal the furniture, but I would hope that doesn't happen. Also, our street is very quiet. We don't really get much traffic here, but I mean, it was a good point. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is the side of our house. This is the back door or the side door. This is the back of our house, and then the front is up here. So if you've been watching me sometime, you know that this is our next project. I personally want to take the patio and make this whole thing patio. Keep the flowers and stuff, but just the grassy area, because I would love to have an outdoor like table, chairs where we could eat. And I think if we took this patio and brought it all the way over to here, we'd have room. And don't forget, we're going to be getting a 6-foot fence probably next year because we want to put a pool over here. Oh, Molly, are you sunbathing, my angel? We want to put a pool back here. So what that means is this whole piece and all around would be pavers, and then the pool would be here. That's what we're thinking. We don't know. We don't know. Who's that? Hi, Britt. How'd I do? Looks good, right?